Hello. Hi.
Okay, yep, testing. Who are you?
I am Amanda Miner.
Yay, Amanda Miner. What does that mean in the context of where we are?
I am the daughter of Paul and Erica Miner, and we got our pool. I don't know how long ago it is. Time has flown, but yeah, we were one of the first walk-through grottos that Al the Pool Guy did. It was probably we were the coolest house, definitely, and it was really good to have my home. I'm a homebody, 100%. I love having my home is the place that people like to come to because it's a good gathering place, and yeah.
Normal pool.
Definitely. I had people reach out to me and be like, I wasn't even in town. It was like, I'm completely gone, and they text me and they're like, can I come to your pool? I'm like, well, I'm not home. Sure. Like, yeah. So our house was definitely the place that everybody wanted to come to, and you do have to limit it. It's like, you like, okay, invite only, just, so lots of fun. After every prom and homecoming, things like that, people would come over and we would have a really good time by the pool, and yeah, and especially when it's hot out. Everybody wants to come to our house when it's hot out, Do it. There's no time like the present. Yeah, get a pool, and if you're gonna get a pool, go big or go home. I mean, looking back, having a pool like ours, there's always something new to look at, and it's a piece of art in your backyard. Really, it is. It's so cool. So, yeah, get a pool, definitely. Get a pool, get a Legendary Escapes pool. It's like a piece of art in your backyard. And this comes with love, heart, soul. They put everything into it, and the dogs do too.
Oh yeah, wait.
Yeah.
That is that's so classic.
Yeah.
Not the original of the dog who was here when your pool was built.
Yeah,
the
but
next
this is her
generation.
baby. The pool, actually, we have her toy in the grotto somewhere, and Penny, and that's Penny's baby. So it's so cool. Yeah.
And is it weird that the pool people, like, did they come to? I don't think I came to your grad party.
No, but pool people were here, definitely.
Okay, is it weird that like the people who built your pool come to your grad party and your brother's grad party however many years later? Is that weird?
No, it's not weird. You guys are like a part of our family, I would say, by now. Like, get Christmas cards, like, it's you guys. And when I do like reference to you guys, and I'm like, oh yeah, those are the people that built our pool. They're like the ones that did it. And they're like, oh, cool. Most people can't say that they keep the people around that put in their pool. So, pretty cool.
Yeah, I don't think that's pretty typical, but that's typical in our world, so
Yeah.
it's like I gotta ask just to double check.
I did, yeah, and so I did gymnastics like my whole entire life, and I would have parties here with all of my gymnastics friends, and you can imagine a bunch of gymnasts coming to this house wanting to do flips off of the pool, and that was one of the big rules from the beginning. No big flips off of the big grotto because it could go sideways. So there was all of these gymnasts doing a bunch of flips. It was so much fun, but yeah, looking back, it was like, this was so bad, but it was such a good time.